I'm seeing new beginning right here, guys. But it looks like this is something here, no, na parang nasa inyong vision rin. Pwedeng one of your dreams, one of your plano, no, is magkaroon rito ng new beginning. And let us see what kind of new beginning is that, no? Kasi parang it's part of your future. Yes, look at that here, no? Ito na nga yung with the full card energy, ito na nga yung confirmation, no, ng ating sinasabi because this is taking risk, taking chance for this new beginning right here. No? So nakikita ko kayo dito that you really want to step into this type of new beginning here. But it looks like with the presence of Four of Cups energy, ano? Four of Cups energy right here, it looks like parang hindi naman sa nag-hesitate ka rito, pero parang alam mo yung energy na natigilan ka, napatulala ka, or hindi ka makagalaw ng, ng sa pwesto mo. Parang ganun, no? Okay. So, let us see. What is this all about? Gusto mo ng new beginning, pero parang may situation dito or circumstance na parang gusto mo na gawin na yung new beginning or umpisahan na yon pero parang may energy na natigilan ka. Yun, parang ganun. So, natigilan, napahinto, let us see. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Heart of the reading is the Emperor's energy right beside the Six of Coins to the very strong Ace of Cups energy. Let me continue placing all the energies first sa ating table before we start talking more about this. But it looks like there's something here, no, na posibleng nag-cause ng fear or parang hindi naman as in fear, parang um, sa ilang seconds parang nakita ko kayo ritong naging scared or naging afraid. Okay? Ganun. Bottom of the deck, Four of Swords energy, Seven of Cups, Four of Wands. Hi and hello new viewers! Ako po pala si Yan. Welcome tuloy po kayo, no? And maraming salamat na dahil nandito kayo kasama ng aking mga pabalik-balik na mga tambayers. Hi sa aking mga pabalik-balik na mga viewers. Mwah! Yan, no? Thank you sa inyong walang sawang support and love for me. And yes, kung hindi niyo pa nalalaman, mayroon pa po tayong other channel, ang ating main channel, The High Priestess Tarot. Kaya naman, no, kung hindi niyo pa yun nabibisita at hindi pa kayo nakaka-try na tumambay doon, then ang link ay ilalagay ko sa description box ng reading na ito. Okay? Pag clinic niyo yan, redirect na kayo doon sa main channel. So, dun po ay meron din tayong ina-upload na daily or araw-araw na collective readings. And when we say collective readings, don't get confused, no? Ibig sabihin nun, walang zodiac sign dun. Kaya kahit na anong zodiac sign nyo pa, pwede kayong makinig at manood. Basta just take only what resonates, no? Ibig sabihin, pick up only the messages, no? You feel na para sa'yo. Then kung hindi, just leave the rest behind kasi baka para naman yun sa other viewers. And yes, bukod dun sa ating collective readings na ina-upload sa ating main channel, meron din po tayong reading per zodiac sign. Kaya naman kung meron kayong particular zodiac sign na gustong i-stock or ang inyong zodiac sign, meron, no? Weekly naman natin yan ginagawa at ina-upload. Okay? So, yun nga mga babes, wala po tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. Pwede niyo pong i-flip yung mga roles kung gusto niyo dahil pwede magkapalit-palit because this is general reading. And at the end of the day, lahat kayo ay may free will na malaya niyo pong gamitin anytime, anywhere. So now let's talk about this. By the way, this is timeless. Pwedeng ito ay nangyari na, it happened already to some of you. Others, it could be happening right now, like Chigom. Okay? So, yung iba naman ay posibleng mangyayari naman no, at isang prediction sa kanilang future. So, nakikita natin dito mga babes, no, na you will get scared sa loob ng segundo o yung iba, minuto. Parang meron dito na parang naging deja vu sa inyo. Parang meron dito mga babes, no, na parang nagpatakot sa inyo sa loob ng ilang segundo or ilang minuto. And you are connecting right here with an emperor who is appearing here as new love. Pero bakit nga ba kayo rito natakot ng ilang segundo or ng ilang minuto, okay, dito? If you're dealing with a new person right here, no, and kakasabi ko lang na it looks like it's kinda deja vu to you, kaya parang medyo natakot ka, no? Meron kasi rito, mga babes, na sinabi itong person na to sa inyo, and it has something to do with yakso. Okay? Yakso, no? In Korean, yakso kasi mga babes, no? Promise, no? Promise, okay? So, meron kasing sinabi tong new person sa inyo. So, this person here is definitely connecting sa inyo in a heart space level, meaning to say, this person here loves you, this person here likes you, this person here keeps on pursuing you, may relationship man kayo or wala pa, no? So, this person right here is someone na nakakonect na talaga sa inyong heart. Like, may chance siya, nasagutin mo kung hindi pa kayo or baka kayo na, no? May chance rito na lumalim pa ang inyong titinginan, no, or pagtingin with this person right here. So this person here is giving me the vibe that he or she is someone brand new. Like, you haven't met this person here before, and I do pick up, no, na sabi ko kasi yung timeless, so pwedeng ito ay kakonek nyo na ngayon. Yung iba naman ay hindi pa, pero makakonek ninyo itong tao na to, no? Bakit kayo natakot sa sinabi niya? Because there is this promise that this person here will tell you. Okay? And it has something to do with this Five of Coins energy right here, Ten of Swords to the Eight of Cups energy. Yan, no? Ano ba yon? This new person right here will promise you na kahit kailan, ano man ang mangyari, hindi kita iiwanan. Okay? Anong nakakatakot dun, Miss Yan? Bakit ako natakot dun? Because that is the same, similar promise na sinabi sa inyo nung huling tao, okay? Like yung huling taong nagsabi niyan sa inyo who happened to be your ex ay nasa na ngayon. Whether nasa Mars na siya, or saan man siyang lupalop ngayon ng earth, kay yung ex mo or yung huling taong nagsabi niyan sa inyo, that is the similar or exact words or parang ganun din yung sinabi sa inyo ng taong huling nagsabi niyan sa inyo, pero iniwanan din naman kayo nun. Yan, no? So parang natakot kayo dito kasi ang naalala ninyo is yung unang nangako sa inyo niyan, no, na asa na ngayon, 'di ba? Wala na, 'di ba? Umalis, iniwan kayo, inabandon na kayo, no? So parang kayo 'tong mga babes na natakot kayo dito because this new person right here, no, is nangangako rin ng kagaya. Yung iba pwedeng hindi eksakto, hindi rin naman yun talaga yung every words na ginamit, no? Pero isa yung understanding, no, sa pangako. Pangakong hindi kita iiwanan. Paano mo man yan sabihin, no? Basta yung tinutumbok at ikot-ikutin mo, no? Yung sentence na yun, yung phrase na yun, hindi kita iiwanan. That is something here na posibleng naalala mo yung ex mo. Yan, no? Naumis ka po, no? Ayun na, mga babes, no? Hindi ko alam, nag-rebelde na, no? Hindi ko alam kung naging ano na siya. naging lagalag na siya mga babes, no? Yan, no? Kung nasan man siya, Pluto, Mars, yan, no? Or naging ano na siya rito, whatever, nakita ko rito na meron ditong huling taong nagsabi niyan sa inyo. So, kaya kayo rito natakot na ilang segundo or ilang minuto. Okay? But, I'm telling you that no need to get scared because the one saying that to you, that promise to you, is a different person. Yes, iisa lang yung pangako na binanggit na magkaibang tao, pero magkaiba sila. With the Six of Coins energy right here, yung nagsabi noon ay ibang tao at yun ay ang ex mo. At ang nagsabi ngayon ng pangako na yan sa inyo na hindi kayo iiwan ay isang bagong tao. Magkaiba po sila mga mahal, no? So yun yung dapat mong intayin. Kasi yung huli nagsabi niyan sa inyo with the Ten of Swords energy right here, trinidor niya yung sarili niyang pangako sa inyo. But now you're dealing here with someone who happens to be the Emperor and the Ace of Cups. This is a new person right here. And this is someone here, mga babes, na walang dahilan para iwanan niya kayo. Okay? Yung noon kasi parang iniwan kayo rito dahil alam mo nakakita tayo rito ng parang malagintong kulay, no? So maaaring hindi ko alam kung dahil ba yun sa karangyaan, dahil ba yun sa pera, or siya to na kumabit sa may pera, whatever, nasilaw sa material na mga bagay, whatever. Dito nakikita ko mga babes no, na walang dahilan para traidorin kayo ng taong ito dahil nasa kanya na ang lahat. At kahit na mga babes, no, nasa kanya na ang lahat, no, or kahit wala sa kanya yung lahat, no, hindi siya ganong klase ng individual. This energy right here is giving me the vibe of the sun. And this person right here is looking for someone who happens to be an empress because he is an emperor. So, nakita ko rito na wala tayong gender. Okay? Just take how this resonates. Now, this person right here, okay, is capable of doing everything, no? Para ma-experience niya yung best of the best life on earth. Okay? Ibig sabihin nun, wala siya ritong kakulangan, wala siya ritong lack of something. The first person, or the last, person na nangako sa inyong hindi kayo iiwan, lacks almost everything sa kanyang life. That is why that person abandoned you. That is why that person hindi niya napanindigan yung pangako niya sa iyo, kaya yun ay parang naging abo na lamang, no? But this new person is different and, okay, you need to understand, no? I know, nagkaroon ka kasi ng trauma, no? Kaya nung narinig mo yun, that is your trauma speaking, okay? Because you've got that fear na, wag mo na lang yan ipangako, gawin mo na lang. Yan, no? So, parang may ganun ka dito. So, you're not trusting words as promise na. Okay? You're now looking for actions. Okay? So, nakita ko rito ng mga babes, no, na maaaring kayo to na hindi naman sa i-mention mo pa with this new person na, like, kasi naalala ko yung ex ko, yan din sinabi niya sa akin, blah, 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 yan, no? So, dito maaaring mag-response ka pa rin with this new person ng smile. You're gonna smile back with this new person after saying that promise to you or after telling that promise na hindi ka niya iiwan dito, no? But I think you're gonna respond to that, okay, na message. And I think pwedeng hindi ito yung eksaktong words, pero tingin ko dito naglalaro yung sasabihin mo. Parang, um, um, wag mo na lang i-promise, gawin mo na lang. You know, I'm getting that soft, nicely na madideliver mo yung message na yan. Okay? So, I'm seeing you right here, okay, that you need to heal yourself because you're still in trauma. But I'm not rushing you to do that because everybody needs time to heal. Okay? At gusto ko maintindihan mo, mga babes, na ang trauma, pag hindi mo pinagaling, makaka-apekto yan sa magiging life mo. Okay? Kapag yan ay tinakasan mo lang. Kaya naman, kailangan mo yung harapin. And you need to make talikod sa iyong nakaraan at harapin ang iyong future. Three of Wands energy. Okay? So, nakita ko rito mga babes, no, na, yeah, maybe this is you. You're not thinking of going back to an ex, no? But this is you, you're still in pain and may mga bagay pa rin na parang nagre-resurface, no? Na parang medyo nahihirapan ka pa rin to handle or to absorb, okay? But whatever the case may be, I can see na mag-heal ka rin dyan because Four of Swords is right here. Don't be confused, Seven of Cups energy, Four of Wands. This new person right here is not someone who will leave you no matter what the situation is. But this person here would like to take control and take responsibility in, okay, building this connection, okay, and protecting this relationship, this commitment with you. And this person here, no, may plano talaga siya rito na magkapamilya kayong dalawa, magkaroon kayo dito ng sarili ninyong home, family, patayang gender ba ang lalaki, LGBT. This person right here will be your full support sa inyong lifetime here on earth. Yeah, this person wants to take responsibility sa inyo. Okay? And I'm gonna repeat, this person here lacks nothing, kaya hindi siya rito klase ng energy na hindi niya tutuparin yung pangako niya sa inyo because malabo yung mangyari. This person right here, a promise is a promise, and this is not just a promise, this is a promise of love, unconditional love for you. So, wow. Okay. Number 4 is really standing out right here. You could be seeing a lot of angel numbers 444, but you know, kahit na 4 lang, no, or maraming 4 yung nakikita ninyo, that is an indication that you are now heading to settling down and creating your own family. No, future is definitely, no, napupul na palapit sa inyo. So, nakikita ko rito that this person right here is someone na magiging pamilya mong talaga. Kahit yung pinakamalalim na ibig sabihin ng pamilya, ay ang taong to ang magpapakita nun sa'yo. So, thank you so much and muli ako po si Yan Sarang Hill, Love and Light. Annyeong!